Unlock a world of knowledge and exploration by mastering the art of paper crafting in Minecraft. Your first essential step is to gather the primary ingredient sugarcane. You'll find sugarcane growing naturally in abundance near water sources like rivers, ponds, and oceans. Look for those tall, green stalks. Simply approach them and break the stalks with your bare hands or any tool. It's best to harvest at least 3 stalks per patch to ensure a steady supply, as each stalk will yield valuable paper. Once you've collected your sugarcane, open your inventory. You'll see the familiar crafting grid, a 2x2 area. Now, place 1 piece of sugarcane into any slot in the 2x2 crafting grid. And just like that, 3 sheets of paper will appear in the output slot. You can craft multiple sheets of paper at once by placing more sugarcane in the grid, up to 3 per crafting operation, each yielding 3 paper. Drag these precious paper stacks into your main inventory. With paper now in hand, you can create incredibly useful items like books to store information or enchantments, maps to chart your discoveries, fireworks for celebratory explosions, and even banners to personalize your base. Mastering paper crafting is a fundamental skill that opens up so many avenues for enhanced gameplay and adventure in your Minecraft world.